Spore holders doing a very big mistake at this time, my friends. If you are a holder of Spore, so keep watch this video till the end, friends, because in this video we discuss the big mistake of holders. Absolutely, if you don't do this mistake, and we say from loss. If you do this mistake, so you will get loss, and if you don't do, so you will get profit. Keep watch. Before starting this interesting video, I request everyone, if you listen my voice, so please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. My friends, first of all, we discussed the latest update of the Spore, and after that we discussed the big mistake of holders. Let's move on and let's start the video, my friends. You can see that the price of the Spore finance is still zero, my friends. Why the price is zero? Because the price is very low. On the other side, if we look, the price is occurs in the Spore finance and the Spore. So my friends, only the last 1 hour pricing is positive, except after the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week, price change occurs in the Spore as negative, my friends. You know what? Why the price falls down? From the yesterday, it is due to the end of month. As you know what? In the end of month, the price of the every cryptocurrencies falls down. The Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, VeChain, a lot of cryptocurrencies price falls down, my friends. In the end of month, my friends. It is due to the short-term investor going to sell coin, my friends, because they want profit, and in the end of month they decide to sell. But my friends, at this time, you know what? It is the last 1 month price chart of the Spore. You can see here, absolutely, my friends, you don't lose, but you will get a low amount of profit, my friends. You can see here, that is the last 1 month price chart of the Spore finance, and you can see in the start of month they take a huge pump. After a huge pump, the price whole month price falls down, my friends. But my friends, the price is still positive in the last 1 month, my friends. You can see here 463.79% price is positive, my friends. So that's mean that you are in the profit, my friends. Absolutely, my friends, if you decide to sell Spore at this time, so you will not lose. You will not in loss, because the pricing is positive. You will get a profit, but low profit. And you know what? In the start of June, the Spore finance will take a huge pump. So when this take a pump, so the price is increased, and you will get a double profit from the Spore. So that is why, my friends, I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends, because in this June the huge pump of the Spore are coming. So that is why I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold. Don't decide to sell, my friends. Anyways, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research, my friend. What you think? What is your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.